In this video, we will learn what is Angular, what are single page applications, what are the prerequisites to create an Angular application, what is Node.js and Node Package Manager NPM, and what is Angular CLI. Angular is a framework developed by Google to design front-end applications. Angular converts the complete application into a single page application. The main advantage of single page applications is that the user can access different components and pages without reloading the website. Moreover, Angular application is bundled into a single HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file, which greatly improves the overall performance of the application. This is how a single page application works. As you can see that the user can access different pages and components without reloading the website. We need Node.js and Angular CLI to create an Angular application. Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a browser. Node.js provides a package manager NPM to install libraries and packages. We will use Node Package Manager NPM to install Angular CLI on our computer. To download and install the latest stable version of Node.js, visit the official website nodejs.org. Angular command line interface is used for creating Angular applications. To install Angular CLI, click Start menu, type CMD, and open command prompt as an administrator. Type the command npm install -g at angular/CLI. This command will install Angular CLI globally on your computer, which means that we can run Angular commands from any directory on our computers. To verify that Node.js and Angular CLI are installed correctly, click Start menu, type CMD, and open command prompt as an administrator. To check if Node.js is installed, run the command node-version in the command prompt. To check if Angular CLI is installed, run the command ng-version in the command prompt. As you can see on my computer, version of Node.js is 10.16.3 and version of Angular CLI is 8.3.4. If Node.js and Angular CLI are installed correctly, then we are all set to create our very first Angular project. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to create an Angular application using Angular CLI.